Hi, my name is Ray Morrow. I'm a solutions consultant with Trimec. I wanted to tell you about some of my favorite features on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. One of my favorite features is the 3D Learn application. Basically, whenever you go into any app and you see the grad cap, you can click on it and automatically be redirected to training resources on how to better use that application. I think it's great and definitely helps me improve my understanding of a lot of the applications that I'm using, since there's so many roles available. One of my favorite features is communities. Working with Trimec applications engineers, we have our own community, but joining and seeing some of the project history that people have been working on for demo sets and stuff like that, being able to see some of the communities that were more dedicated to team building has been awesome. And seeing how Trimec stayed connected during the pandemic was great. And then another one of my favorite applications and features on the platform is xShape. As somebody that came from industry, working at that intersection of industrial designers and mechanical engineers, it's really cool to see that there's finally a tool that readily integrates with existing CAD platforms that people are using to translate between 2D and 3D, making that bridge between marker renders and 2D sketches all the way to A-surface CAD models to get handoff to engineering. I think that it's a super cool tool to be able to translate that form, function, and fit that I know industrial designers are always looking to achieve.